Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the cells you want to change and picking the right formula. If you replace exact substrings, use substitute. If you alter by position, use replace. Once done, set a sample source like A2 and choose a target column for results. Make sure to lock ranges with $ when you plan to drag formulas across rows. Also decide if replacements must be case-insensitive. That choice affects whether you wrap with upper/lower or use search instead of find. Now build the actual formula in your target cell. Start with substitute, A2, old, new, to replace all instances, or add the instance argument to change only the nth occurrence. Once done, nest substitute calls to perform sequential swaps. Substitute, A2, A, B, C, D. Make sure to wrap with ifr. A2 to preserve original on failure. If you have many replacements, use let to name the source and intermediate steps for clarity and performance as you expand. Finish by applying the formula across your dataset and then paste as values to lock the changes. If you used replace, make sure you determined start num and num chars correctly, using find or search to locate positions. Once done, validate several rows to confirm behavior. If replacements fail or look off, make sure to trim leading/trailing spaces and normalize case with upper or lower, then retry. A common quick fix is checking hidden characters with clean and reapplying the formula.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.